Shalom, giving all praise and all glory unto Yahweh, Hashem Yahshai, Hashem Hachodash. Double honors to the elders and apostles, a great millstone that will bow, and shalom to Akim, pushing his sword around the globe in faith and in truth and sincerity. As always, I'd like to start by saying we are the real Hebrew Israelites, you so-called Negroes, Latinos, Hispanics, Native Americans, West Indians, West Africans predominantly. However, you are going to get Israelites that do look like the other nations, because Israel has been scattered amongst all people throughout our various captivities. But if your lineage of your forefathers goes back to the man in the Bible named Jacob, then you too are an Israelite, no matter what you may look like, because Numbers chapter 1 and verse 18 states that your nationality is determined by the line of your forefathers, okay? So I'm back with another chariot sighting. Here you can see there's the moon in the center of the screen. I'll zoom in on that. So there you have the moon, and next to it is a street light. If I pan over here, you see there's a chariot right up here, burning bright. Now, and here's an aeroplane, if I can get that in shot. There's an aeroplane. See the flashing lights, the red and blue lights. And there's the chariot. You notice it's not got none of those lights, it's just stationary and burning bright. Now, there are other stars in the sky, but they're very faint white dots. This chariot stands out like a sore thumb because it's very, very bright. You can see it in the center there. Now, if I put the moon in this shot too, zoom out a bit. So there's the chariot. So that's how bright the street light and the moon is. And this chariot, as you can see, it's like a light source all of its own, right there in the center. So for those of you who don't know, these chariots are the chariots of Israel. These are going to be the vehicles of our salvation, Lord willing, and also the vehicles of Esau's destruction. You can read about these in the book of Isaiah chapter 66 and verse 15, Zechariah chapter 5 verse 1, Acts 1 7 through 11 I believe, and Revelation 1 and 7. Because when Yahushua comes back, he's going to be coming in a huge chariot the size of a mountain, pertaining to the book of 2nd Ezra, and he's going to have a fleet of angels with him, because these are the vehicles which the angels travel in as well. So as you can see, there's a chariot right in the center of the screen. So I'd like to say Kahala Yahweh Hashem Yahshai Hashem Hachodash, because I'm seeing these chariots more and more frequently. So Lord willing, this is edifying to those who are watching it. Once again, giving all praise and all glory unto Yahweh Hashem Yahshai Hashem Hachodash. Double honors to the elders and apostles of great millstone of all well. And shalom to you Akim, that be teaching this word around the globe in faith and in truth and sincerity. And until the next lesson, Lord willing, I'll say shalom, wa abba wa kwame shirala. Shalom.